Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Western Union error C1974. So if you face these types of errors within your Western Union application, then the best method that I would recommend you to resolve this issue is to contact with the Western Union customer service, because they know why you are getting these errors and they are capable enough to resolve this problem from their end in your account. So in order to contact with them, you just have to simply come to the westernunion.com and then log in into your account. After that, select the menu option in the top and then select the help section. Once you do this, you will be landed on the Western Union's help center page, where you just have to scroll down, and then here you will be able to see three different options that would help you to contact with the Western Union customer support executive. You can either chat with them, call them, and even email them. So you just have to select any of the options that is more convenient for you. Let's say you have selected the call us option, so you just have to directly dial this number and you just have to tell them that you are facing this type of error, and they are going to definitely help you in this regard. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.